talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
I'm back. She's back. She's back. Y'all know I can't dance, but that don't stop me. Go. Wait, is that how that dance go? Probably not. Let me stop embarrassing myself. Your girl is back, y'all. It's your girl, Love with Empress, and I'm doing a beauty tutorial. Make sure that you subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to your girl. Subscribe to your girl. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, next one. All right, honey, let's start off with the Subculture palette. I know I've used this palette a lot, but it was really one of my favorite palettes. We're going to start off with the shade Fudge, and I'm using my Wet n Wild brush. And I'm just going to put this over my entire eyelid. And it's just a habit of doing that, making sure that it's over my entire eyelid. Even though I am going to be doing like half of a cut crease, I still found that, I don't know, it just, the difference between not putting it over your lid and to do it, I just found like I get a better effect when I actually do just put it over my entire eyelid. And so I'm going to use my MAC smudge pot, and I'm using the shade Lay Low. Honey, I'm going into this cube and I'm wetting it, and I am going to put this in the inner cut crease of my eye. Make this look really pop, I'm going to use my MAC loose powder. I'm going to wet it. This is in the shade Copper Sparkle, and this is a brilliant copper color, and I just love it. And I'm going to use that for the center of my cut crease. And so when I apply this, I'm going to do an uneven look, and the reason I do this is so that the look is very cohesive and there aren't any harsh lines. The next shade that I'm going to use is Rowdy. It's a very dark maroon color, and it's not quite black. It gives you like that nice smoky eye look without having to use black. And when I apply this, again, I'm going to apply it somewhat uneven to the copper sparkle, and so it gives it like a faded effect so that there aren't any harsh lines. And honey, the next thing I'm going to do is my eyeliner, and it is from LA Colors, and it only cost me $1. It is in the shade Black, and some of the makeup that I have only costs $1 because you can still look nice, honey, and not spend all of your coins. Next, I'm going to use my NYX glitter. And so this glitter, I just did some spray, some setting spray, wet some setting spray in the cap with the glitter. And I wanted to do it this way after the eyeliner because I love that when you're applying the glitter gets actually into the eyeliner and you now have a glitter liner effect. And Kiss has stepped their game up, honey. They have couture lashes now. And this is the line Gala. And I am loving these lashes, honey. I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter, and it is number 440. And I am using my Beauty Blender and the actual brand Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to blend this in, honey. I'm using my Ellen Tracy black eyeliner, and I'm just going to smudge this under my eye. And for my lower lashes, I am using Better Than Sex mascara. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use Adorn, and I did wet it a little. And now I'm going to use Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm going to use that to give my look some definition. And I'm using that to do a little bit of shading. I love this. It is so thick And the look that you have is what you get. You know, after it dries, you know, some concealers become pasty. This does not. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm using the shade Winter Rose, honey. I did a little bit of baking with my e.l.f. HD powder. I did that off camera. Sorry, guys. I'll try to, I guess, be more inclusive next time. I am using my Anastasia of Beverly Hills lip paint, and I love their lip paints. This is in the shade Starfish, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on, and now I'm going to follow behind it with that same MAC Copper Sparkle that I put on my eyelids. I'm now going to cover my lips with that as well. I hope that you all have enjoyed this beauty tutorial, honey. Subscribe for the next time so you can check out my sledge, honey. See you guys next time. Bye. I promise you, it's in rhythm with a song.